We talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Yelp app. So all you have to do is you just go down, click here on more down here. You just click here on more. It's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do, you just go down here. You keep going down. Then you click here on settings here. So when you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. Then you click here on push notifications. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on notification categories here. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, so you just go down here. Then you come here to neighborhoods, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's my neighborhoods notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.